In this video, we're gonna see some of the problems which are based on handshaking lemma, degree of graph, and different types of graph. So let's see them. First of all, what is handshaking lemma? So handshaking lemma is a lemma which is used for the simple graph where there doesn't exist any parallel edges between two vertices. So here we just find out the correlation between vertice and edges, degree of the vertices and edges. So the handshaking lemma is summation of degree of all the vertices equal to your 2 into number of edges in the graph. So first question is, how many nodes are necessary to construct a graph with exactly 8 edges in which each node is of degree 2? Now here we have to find what how many number of nodes, means how many number of vertices we are having in this graph. So their information is given about the edges. So there are total 8 edges. So we have to find out what is n over here, what is number of vertices over here. The edges, the value for edges is given, that is 8, and the degree of each node is given as 2. So the degree of each and every vertex is given as 2. So we will use the handshaking lemma, that is degree of summation of degree of all the vertices is equal to 2 into edges. So we don't know exactly how many number of vertex are there. Okay, so we will assume that as n, and we will just proceed. The degree of each and every vertex is given as 2. So we will perform addition of 2, that is degree of each and every vertex. Suppose this is degree of vertex 1, this is degree of vertex 2 till n times, because we don't know exactly how many vertex are there. So we'll perform this addition till n times, so which will be equal to 2 into e, so that will be 2 into 8. That data is already given to us, that is number of edges is 8. So this will coming out to be 2 into n times you will multiply with degree of the vertex. It will be 2 into n, which is equal to 2 into 8. So 2 will be get cancelled and you will be remained with n is equal to 8. So there will be total 8 number of vertices will be there in this kind of graph. So next question is, draw a simple graph with 6 nodes, all of degree 2 or greater, with at least 2 nodes of degree 3. Okay, so here the question is given that we have to draw simple graph where there is total number of vertex is 6, and the form kind of graph is there where all the vertex are having degree as 2, or you are having some of the vertex could have degree as 3, but you should at least have the two vertices whose degree is 3. Okay, that this should be there. So this is the meaning of this. You can have either a degree of each and every vertex as 2 or more, 2 or more, but at least two vertex should be there whose degree is 3. So just draw for we are just randomly drawing, we are just randomly taking the 6 vertex, and in that 6 vertex, first of all we will draw the each and every vertex should have two edges, two degrees. So that's why we are just connecting each and every vertex with each other, so with its adjacent one. So this is what we will get. And now we want at least two vertex whose degree is 3, so we are just simply connecting any randomly two vertex. So here the degree of this vertex will be 3 and this of this vertex will be 3. So another kind of graph here, we are taking four vertices whose degree is 3 and remaining for the two vertex whose degree will be 2. So here in this way you can draw many kinds of there are many kind of chances where you can draw this simple graph. I'm just simply taking the two example. So next question is, draw a graph with 4 nodes and 7 edges. Okay, this is what question. First of all, we have to check whether can we draw a kind of graph. So first of all, we have to check whether what is the is that possible to draw this kind of graph. So we'll use the handshaking lemma for this, and handshaking lemma for this, or you can go with the another formula. So for simple graph where there doesn't exist any self loop or no parallel edges, so to find out the maximum number of edges, we have the formula, that is n into n minus 1 divided by 2. So this many number of edges will be there in your simple graph if you are not having any self loop or any parallel edge in your graph. So n is given as 4 and number of edges is given as 7. So we will use this formula, and what we will get, that is 4 into 4 minus 1 divided by 2, which will be 4 into 3 divided by 2. And if we will calculate this, we will get that is 6. So there are at max 6 edges we can draw if we want to draw the simple graph. So as here for 4 nodes, maximum number of edges is 6, but given is that we have to draw the 7 edges, which is one more value of each. So the simple graph is not possible. We can draw multigraph. So this is one example, but simple graph is not possible to draw by using this data. So we have just drawn the example of multigraph. Next question is there exist a regular graph of degree 5 on 9 vertices? So let me first tell you what is a regular graph. A graph, here the graph where each and every vertex have the same degree, that is called as a regular graph. So your vertex could have degree as, each and every vertex could have degree as 2, degree as 3, degree as 4, till the number of vertices you are having in that graph. So at max, suppose here I'm having 9 vertex, so at max they can have the degree as 9. So we will see whether that kind of graph is possible or not. So we will use the handshaking lemma. So the graph is having the degree 5 on 9 vertices. So each and every vertex is having degree as 5, and total 9 vertices are there. So we will use the formula, that is degree of summation of degree of each and every vertex is equal to 2 into edges. Now the count of edge is not given, so we will find out this edge. So we'll perform this 5 plus 5 till the 9 times. So it will be 9 into 5, which is equal to 45, is equal to 2 into ages. Now when we calculate this age, it will be 45 divided by 2, which will coming out to be 22.5. But we know that our value of age will never be in the fractional format. It should be either 22 or 23, but it is something which is in between this 22 and 23, which is not possible to draw. So that's why we can say that this kind of age is not there, this kind of value of age could not be there in your graph. So that's why regular graph of degree 5 on 9 vertices doesn't exist for such a data. Next question is determine number of edges in a graph with 6 node, 2 of degree 4 and 4 of degree 2. Draw two such graph. Now here we have given with some kind of information. So node and degree of the graph is given. So we will use the handshaking lemma, that is degree of summation of degree of all the vertex is equal to 2 into edges. Now here we have given that total 6 vertices are there. N is equal to 6. 2 vertex is having degree as 4, and 4 vertex is having degree as 2. Okay, so we have to perform 4 plus 4 two times and 2 plus 2 onwards for the 4 times, because there are only 4 vertex whose degree is 2. So we will perform this for the 4 times, addition of 2 till for the 4 times. This is for 4 vertices whose degree is 2, and now this we will perform for the 2 vertices whose degree is 4, which is equal to 2 into h's. When we will solve this, we will get that is 16 is equal to 2 into h. So e will become 16 divided by 2, which is 8. So as this kind of age value of age is possible, so we will try to draw such a graph. So we have to draw two such a graph where there are 6 nodes, and 2 vertex are having degree as 4 and 4 vertex are having degree as 2. So this is example where we are having this 2 vertices whose degree is 4 and this 4 vertices whose degree is 2. Next question is draw a complete bipartite graph which is not regular. A complete bipartite graph is a kind of graph where we are having whenever we talk about the complete graph, there exist in each and every other vertex in from one vertex to all other vertex there exist connection. And if you're talking about bipartite graph, so we have two portions of the graph where there are two portions. Now each vertex from one portion is connected to each and every other vertex in the other portion of the other kind of set of the vertex. So draw complete bipartite graph which is not a regular. So regular graph is a graph where degree of each and every vertex is equal. So we have to if you will draw k, m and n, where m is equal to n number of vertex over here and over in the other set is equal, so we will get the regular graph. Except all these things, we have to draw the graphs. So here, if m is not equal to n, we will get the graph as complete bipartite graph, which is not a regular. So we can take examples like k2 3 will be our complete bipartite graph, which is not a regular. K3 2, K3 4, here we just want that it should not be equal, the values of two vertices will not be equal. So this is also one another example. And the last question is, how many edges has each of this following graph? So this is a case 6 is complete bipartite, complete graph with 6 vertex, and this is k and something written is like this. So k stands for complete graph. We have to look on the base, like what we are having, whether we are having how many values are there, whether it's single value or two value. So if there exists two value, it's a bipartite graph, complete bipartite graph with 4 vertex on one side and 6 vertex on the other half. So k6, the maximum number of edges in any graph will be counted as n into n minus 1 divided by 2. For 6 vertices, we'll calculate this as 6 into 6 minus 1 divided by 2, which will coming out to be 15 edges. And for k46, here the number of edges for the complete bipartite graph is a maximum number of edges is counted as m into n. So it will be 4 into 6, which will be 24 edges.